so in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how you can use a chemical peel on your lips. Face पे तो हम सब chemical peel लगाते हैं to exfoliate our skin, but we never use it on our lips, and trust me, your lips require chemical peeling the most. If you have the problem of dry, flaky and rough skin on your lips, or if your lips look very dull and dark, then आपको chemical peeling की बहुत ज़रूरत है आपके lips पे. Your lips go through so many things throughout the day, like you're constantly binging on something, you're eating something, and when you talk so much and when you sip on hot tea and coffee, all of this leads to dehydration of your lips, all of this leads to drying out of your lips, and then you further lick your lips to hydrate it, but that leads to further drying out of your lips, and that makes your skin look very dark on the lips. So to prevent all of this and to make your lips look more plump and pink and juicy, and to smoothen out the skin on your lips, you need to use a chemical peel on your lips, and I have just the perfect product for this. So this is Pilgrim Squalane Exfoliating Lip Peel Roll-On. This is India's first lip peel roll-on, and it contains an amazing combination of ingredients like squalane, lactic acid and niacinamide. Squalane helps to strengthen the lip barrier, thereby preventing your lips from becoming any further damaged. Lactic acid helps to gently exfoliate the lips, thereby removing all dead and dry skin cells from your lips and smoothens out your lips. And niacinamide helps to fade away all of the darkness from your lips and retains the natural color of your lips, making your lips look more pink. So overall, it makes your lips more pink, more plump, more juicy and so smooth and soft. And also it's super easy to use on your lips. All you have to do is just roll it on your lips, apply a thin layer all over your lips and leave it on for 10 minutes. After that, you can gently massage it on your skin for a minute or so, and then I like to use a tissue paper to just wipe it off and to remove all the dead skin cells from your lips before I rinse it off with water. And once I'm done with rinsing it off, I go in with this Pilgrim Squalane Bubblegum Lip Serum, and it smells exactly like boomer chewing gum. If you've ever had it, I don't think it's available anymore, but when I was in school, I used to have it all the time. So that boomer chewing gum का जो typical जो smell था, which smelled so nice and bubblegummy, that is exactly how this smells. I absolutely love the smell of this, and it's so hydrating on the lips. It makes your lips instantly look so juicy and so plump, and it moisturizes your lips like no other lip balm. It's an amazing lip serum to check out. So if you have dry flaky lips, I highly recommend you check out both of these products, especially this lip peel roll on by Pilgrim. It's so good. I've been using it for 7 days straight every single day, and I've seen a noticeable difference in the way my lips looked. This is the first day of how my lips looked like before I used the lip peel roll on, and this is what my lips look like today. I do not have any lip balm on, nothing on my lips, nothing at all on my lips, and you can see how much more pink they look. They look super duper soft, super duper smooth now, and this is a comparison of the before and after, and it's a major difference. As you can see, it helps to reduce the darkness on your lips, it helps to reduce the texture and the roughness of your lips, and it also helps to protect your lips from any damage. It's one of its kind. It's India's first lip peel roll on, and it's a very impressive product. This retails only for ₹300, which is so affordable, and if you use my discount code Riya15, you can get an additional 15% off on this using the link in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. This product has made such a big difference in how my lips look and feel now versus how they looked like before. And even if you have the problem of dryness on your lips when you apply lipstick, whenever you go for a liquid matte lipstick, it makes your lips look very flaky and very rough. Then using this beforehand, using this to exfoliate your lips first, then using a lip balm on top of it, and then going in with your liquid lipstick is going to make such a big difference. It's going to make the application so much more smooth, so much more soft, and it's going to make your lipstick glide and look very smooth. So I highly recommend this lip peel roll on by Pilgrim if you have dry, flaky, rough skin on your lips, or if you have darkness on your lips. This is going to help you solve all of those problems all at once. You can use it like once or twice a week. You can also follow Pilgrim on Instagram to know more about their sales and about their new product launches beforehand. So yeah, that was my video on how to apply chemical peel on your lips and my review on Pilgrim Squalane Exfoliating Lip Peel Roll On. If you've tried this product, then do let me know in the comments below how it works out for you. Also let me know if you want me to review any other products by Pilgrim or any other brands. I would love to do that for you all. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, that's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.